This simple storybook for kids has made over $90,000 in passive income. In today's video, I'll show you how to launch a similar business, starting from generating the book idea, the main content to high-quality illustrations and all of that, by using the power of AI technology. So if you're looking to generate passive income, then stay tuned till the end, because I promise this video will contain valuable information you'll not find anywhere. So I was scrolling through Amazon, searching for some passive income business ideas, and then I came across some of these simple storybooks for kids. And I was literally shocked by the amount of money that these people make with these books. For example, this book right here has over 5,424 reviews, and it's selling for $12.98. So if we multiply the price by the amount of reviews that the product has, that's going to be a total of $70,000. This one single book made in passive income. Let's see. Another one. So this other book has 14,591 reviews. And if we multiply it by its price, which is $11.69, that's going to be $170,000 that this seller made with this book, which is insane. And the great news is you can create and upload these books to Amazon KDP for completely free. That's why I made this video, to show you exactly how to create these books with Chat GPT to sell them on Amazon. So the first step is, we are going to use Chat GPT to come up with a good story idea. And for those of you who never used Chat GPT before, all you have to do is type its name in the search bar and then click the first link right here, and then click where it says Try Chat GPT. And that is it. Now you can just ask it for anything, and it will then answer it for you. And like I said before, we first need a good story idea. So I asked Chat GPT here to generate a title for a storybook for kids. And as you can see, the first answer from Chat GPT was The Magical Adventures of Twinkle the Unicorn, but I didn't like it very much, so I asked it for another title. And the other title was The Secret Garden of the Enchanted Forest. And this title was okay, but we could do better. So I asked it again for the last time to give me more title. And this was the title, The Curious Adventures of Max and Maya. It seems really nice. So I decided to go with this one because I think it's going to be an exciting story. Then I asked Chat GPT what the story all about. And here was the answer. The Curious Adventures of Max and Maya is a storybook about two siblings, Max and Maya, who are always looking for new and exciting adventures. They love to explore, ask questions, and solve mysteries. So the next step was to create the story outline. And as you can see, here's the chapters that Chat GPT has generated. It also generates the scenes for each chapter. Chapter 1, The Mysterious Box. Chapter 2, The Lost Treasure. Chapter 3, The Secret Garden, and so on. So now that we have generated the story outline, we can now start generating the actual story content by using these chapters. What you're going to have to do now is copy the first chapter. Here, in my case, it's The Mysterious Box. Then paste it again to Chat GPT and set the prompt to write a rhythm story, and then it will generate it for you. Once it does that, in case you didn't like it or something like that, you can just hit regenerate response and it will generate another. So the next thing is I just did the same thing to all the other chapters that we have. And as you can see, it only took us very few minutes to generate a whole story that is now ready to be converted into a book. And it's just insane that you can actually earn thousands of dollars passively without even writing one single word yourself. And by the way, the next step is, well, literally gonna blow your mind. So before we get into it, make sure you also like this video and subscribe to my channel Money Hunt. Now, we all know how important the illustrations are on these types of books, but if we just go to Fiverr or even Upwork, you will see that artists are charging hundreds of dollars for these illustrations. But what if I told you now that all of these illustrations that you see here were generated by AI and cost literally $0? Can you believe that? Yes, you can generate original images just like these ones right here just by typing some words. Now, there has been a lot of AI art generators recently, and I myself have tried a lot, but the one that provides the best quality, in my opinion, is Midjourney. It's also very easy too. So the easiest way to access Midjourney is by using Discord. And if you don't have a Discord account already, then just head over to discord.com, register, and then create your account. So once you create your Discord account, you can then start using Midjourney. So now to access Midjourney, just type in the search bar, Midjourney Discord, and then click the first link right here. And now just click to accept the invite, and it will take you to a page that looks like this. Now what you have to do is just click here on one of these newbie channels, and after you click on one of them here, you will see all the recently generated images, and there is millions of users. So every single second more generated images will show up. So now to generate your image, you will need to star a prompt. And to do that, just type here in the chat/imagine and just hit space in your keyboard. And now you can literally type here anything and it will generate an image for it. So now go back to the story chapters that you have already generated and copy the first. In my case, it's this one that says Max and Maya discover a mysterious box in the attic and set out to solve the mystery of its contents. So now I will just paste it here and hit enter, and it will then generate the image for me. So here it is. It just created it. And now after it's generated, 2 rows of buttons will appear here. U stands for upscale, which means if I like one of these, it scales it up to full resolution. And V stands for I like this version. Create 4 more like that. So in my case, I like this image here, so I will just click to upscale it, and to save the image, just click here where it says open in browser. And then just click Save Image to save it to your device. So now let's create the second image of the Chapter 2. Max and Maya go on a treasure hunt in the woods and encounter some unexpected challenges. But I also want to keep the same style of the first image. And to do that, you want to first go to the first image and copy its link. And now what we are going to do here is type/imagine just like before. But now instead of just typing this phrase, we will need to first paste the previous image link here, and then you can type what you want to generate. In my case, Max and Maya discover a hidden garden and make some new animal friends. So I'm just going to copy it and then paste it here so it's generated now, and it also maintains the same style as you can see. And I think I like this one more, so I will just click to upscale it and then save it, and I did the same thing for all of, and in about 20 minutes, I had all the illustrations ready to use. And you guys get the idea. I don't want to do each image on the video. The video will be too long, so start section by section and generate the images based on the story topic. So now that you know how to generate the images and the text for your book, the last step now is I'm going to show you how to combine the generated text and the generated images to generate a professional-looking storybook. But real quick, I'm curious as to where my viewers come from. So please tell me your country in the comments section so that I can make videos that everyone can benefit from. So now you will need to go to this website that is called canva.com. Canva is a design tool just like Photoshop, but Canva is extremely easy to use, and it's also 100% free. So what you want to do first is just create an account if you don't have one. Just click sign up, and then you can use one of these to create your account. So once you do that, this is how your account will look like. And now just search here for a storybook, and then click here where it says create a blank storybook, and it will then take you to this page. Now, first thing you want to do is click on Uploads, and then click here where it says Upload Files to upload these images that we downloaded from Midjourney. In my case, I will just upload these 2 images to show you how the process works. And once they are uploaded, then just drag your first image to your dashboard here. The next step is you just want to click here where it says Text, and then click here where it says Add a subheading. And now we will need to paste here the first part of the story that we generated from Chat GPT. So go back to Chat GPT and then copy the first part right here, and then come back to Canva to paste that text here. Now, I'm just going to drag it a little bit like this, and I'm going to select a text to change its color. So you can just click here to change I'm just going to select the white color, and you can also click here if you want to change the font of the text, so you can just keep trying different ones until you find the one you like. In my case, I think this font fits the image perfectly, so I'm just going to keep it. There's also more effects that you can add to the text from here, like changing the style, adding shadows, etc. Once you're done with the first one, then just click Add Page, and then go back to Uploads to drag your next image. And you can do the same with all your other images and chapters. Once you're done, just click Share, and then click here where it says Download. And then click this other download again, and congratulations, you just created your first storybook successfully. And last step now is to just publish your book to Amazon KDP. If you never used KDP before, I will leave a KDP step-by-step guide in the description. Here's a quick recap of everything you need to do. Step number 1, generate the story idea using Chat GPT. Step number 2, generate the story outline and chapter. Step number 3, generate the illustrations using Midjourney AI art generator. Step number 4, add the story text to the images using Canva and save it as PDF print. Step number 5, publish your book on Amazon using the guide in the description box. So thanks for watching.